my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
And I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8-ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
So hi guys, we finally left Lamu and we are in Malindi. Yes guys, we're in Malindi and we just arrived like half an hour ago. I know I'm in the shade, let me get out of the shade. One minute. Yes, so we arrived like 30 minutes ago. We took public transportation from Mkoa. It's called Mkoa. It's the island where you reach before you can cross to Lamu Island and Manda and Shela. But we took transportation from there all the way to Lamu. So during that process, it took about 2.5 hours from Lamu to Malindi. But it was a good ride. The shuttles there are just nice. It wasn't a bad ride. So now we are in Malindi. We just arrived. We are hungry. We're thinking about what we're going to eat. So before that, we had to come here. These are like private apartments where you get to hire it for the period of time you're staying in Malindi, and they look nice. So come with me so that I can give you a room tour before anything else. In case I don't end up doing anything more after the room tour, I'll probably end it there, but we'll see. So here comes the room tour. Probably already shown you the b-roll, so now I'm just going to walk you guys through into the crib. So where do we begin? So this right here is would you call it a lobby, or yeah, like a lobby, like a sitting area for the house here. So that's it, and we have a dinner table there, African traveler in the background. So besides that, you go into African traveler's room, which is pretty nice. They have a big bed, and I think in almost all coastal areas you will find a net around your bed, a very big net, so that you don't go home with malaria. So yeah, then you have cupboards for your luggage and clothes, extra cupboard. And how do I switch on the lights here? Oh, there we go. Then this is the loo. We have the toilet. I don't know what this is. I've been wondering the whole time, what is this? How do we use this? Because the sink is here, and then there's this thing that looks like a sink. Please, if you know anything about this thing down here, tell me down in the comments, because I'm clueless. Or maybe it is what I think it is, but I'm not sure. Tell me down in the comments. So yeah, that over there is the sink, then the thing I didn't know, then the toilet. And this is the flushing mechanism. Pretty fancy, I've never seen one of these. And you have your shower. There's your shower. I think this is not a standing shower. You have to pick the thing and wash yourself real good, real good. Okay, let me stop. So that's the shower. I hope it's hot water, then you have towels. One thing I've noticed is that they have a lot of towels. There's towels everywhere, literally everywhere. So you'll get a towel like on the sink, you'll get a towel on the toilet, get a towel in the bathroom. So yeah, now let's go to my room. Dun, 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 dun. Light bulb moment trying to upload a video. So yeah, this is my room. Hi! So guys, this is my room. This is the bed I'll be sleeping on tonight. I'll probably just play some B-roll while I'm speaking, but anyway, this is just a rough draft of what I should show you. This is my bed. Then I have a little cupboard, or is it a wardrobe? Yes, where I can put my luggage and my clothes and my shoes. Then, heaven sent, there's air conditioning in this joint. Nice. Because the place we were staying before, in Lamu, I realized it's much hotter than here. Here it's kind of cool, even outside, even when you sit, it's kind of cool. So you feel like it's a cool breeze. And even if it gets hot, they provide you with air conditioning. So I'm glad they have an air conditioning unit in here. So yeah, you've seen the bed, you've seen the wardrobe. We've still not unpacked our bags. They're still there. So we're just thinking. So last but not least is my bathroom. My bathroom has the traditional toilets. And then this thing. What is this thing, guys? Tell me. Please tell me down in the comments, because I don't know. I've seen it in most of the hotels that we've been to in the coastal area, but I don't know what it is. Then there's my sink and the shower. Looks almost exactly like the one that is in African Traveler's room. So yeah, you've seen the bathroom, you've seen my room. What else haven't you seen? Now the advantage of this place is that they have like a mini kitchen for you guys. So mini kitchen for making coffee and tea. So I know this coffee lover will enjoy making himself his own coffee, because we've been purchasing coffee instead of making our own. Laibab, will you be making coffee or tea?
No, I'm not the tea lady.
Oh, you're the what lady?
The queen.
Okay. So guys, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next one.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel
Guys, guess where we are? We finally left Lamu, now we're in Malindi. We're just been taken around in this resort so that we can show you how it looks like later. So stick around, say it goes. Oh my god, the beach is right. Hold on, guys, the beach is right in front of us. I didn't know it was this close to where we're staying. So let me just show you the horizon. Right behind me is where the beach is, and I know you guys will enjoy seeing that.